Jason riding Tess. Tess is 13 years old and has a lifetime of experience on trails. She will cross anything you ask of her. She has rode all over the hills from Kentucky and Tennessee, taken on camping trips. Tess is 13 years old. She is registered walking and just an amazing horse in every way. Her manners are quiet and very still. No matter what she does, she's very careful stepping. She watches her steps and would be great for any family with all ages of children, special needs, mature riders. She will stand however long you want. Very patient.